There are lots of things we use every day that require maintenance. Your car needs an oil change. Your smoke detector needs batteries. Your dryer vent needs cleaning. All appliances should be monitored for performance and updates. Your water heater is no different, except that it's up and running 24/7. And let's face it, no one wants to run out of hot water. Just like your furnace or air conditioner, you should have your Bradford White water heater serviced by a qualified professional at scheduled intervals. They'll check or replace worn anode rods, a component that prolongs the life of the tank, check temperature relief valves for safety, and perform other suggested maintenance. Many people wait until there's a problem to get service, like no hot water or limited hot water. A professional can spot issues and help avoid an emergency that can be more costly. So don't wait. Be proactive and ask your contractor about a service plan so that your water heater checkups will be scheduled for you. There are also some things homeowners can and should do. Never store things like paint thinner or gasoline in the water heater area. Keep the area clean and clear. Look for water on the floor or around any pipe fittings going into the water heater. If you see it, contact your plumber. It may be a sign of corrosion or leaks. Also be aware that changes you make to your home, like adding a larger washer or a new bathroom, may reduce the effectiveness of your current water heater. Newer models, like those introduced since mid-2015, are more efficient than ever. In some areas, regulatory changes may also affect the preferred or available fuel types. Your service professional can recommend the best options for your home. Your Bradford White water heater is critical for your health and safety. Work with your service professional to ensure a long and trouble-free life, not to mention plenty of hot water. Need to find a professional near you? Visit our contractor directory on bradfordwhite.com.